Simula na ngayon Biyernes ang campfire ban sa kabuuan ng British Columbia. At bagamat paboritong bahagi ng camping ang pagkakaroon ng bonfire, handang sumunod ang mga mahilig sa outdoor activity na ito para manatiling ligtas ngayong summer. May report si Rhea Santos.
We just use mostly yung campfire to provide extra warmth and at the same time, minsan ambience, di ba? Kasi ang sarap, may ano ka, ang ganda picturean, may konting fire. As long as it is safe to do so.
Pagpatak ng summer, larga na ang pamilya ni William Orsua sa magagandang lugar sa British Columbia. Mahilig mag-camping si Orsua at pinaghahandaan niya ang bawat paglabas.
The ideal for us is like 2 to 3 days, sometimes overnight if we don't have enough time, but at least a night para hindi sayang yung effort pag setup and everything. Most of the time, the places that we go, kasi we go off-roading, hindi lang sa mga campsite. My kids enjoys bonfires, lalo na sa gabi, 'di ba? Meron silang mga marshmallow, luto-luto ganon. It's masaya eh. At saka sa gabi, kahit mainit sa araw, sa gabi pag nandun ka sa mga tabi ng lake, medyo malamig pa din. So ang laking bagay ng fire. Bago kami umalis, we make sure na kahit konting usok lang wala na. Kasi pag umusok pa yon, hanginan lang ng konti, it can set a fire.
Ngayong July 12, bawal na ang campfire at anumang open fire sa British Columbia. Ito ay matapos ang ilang araw na tuyong panahon at record-breaking na temperatura sa ilang bahagi ng probinsya. Ayon sa BC Wildfire Service, mataas daw kasi ang risk ng wildfire sa kasalukuyang lagay ng panahon. Ayon kay Orsua, may alternatibo naman sa campfire.
Where I'm pro-safety, right? And it's for the good of everyone. The easier alternative is we just wear a jacket at night. Sa labas kami, kwentuhan with the seats. And I did some research. Allowed ka pa rin naman to cook as long as it's above the ground and using mga propane, stuff like that. We have barbecue, mga portable barbecues that we bring. And we have portable tables that we bring. So okay pa din. Okay pa din, you can still cook. The main thing is you can cook kasi kailangan mo kumain. Tsaka pag Pinoy nag-camping, maraming pagkain kaya masaya.
Sa kasalukuyan, abot sa 150 ang wildfire sa probinsya. Noong isang taon, higit 500 ang human-caused wildfire. Bukod sa campfire, bawal din ang fireworks, sky lanterns, sticky at anumang kaparehas na torch.
It'll be okay. We'll make it work. It would be nice if it went a little longer in July before we got the ban, but I guess, it's for the best, right? Safety.
It's a little bit unfortunate. I mean, we just finished burning up all the wood before noon before we left, so to make sure that we kind of can't look at it and get sad that we can't burn it tonight.
Bilang mahilig sa camping, laging may bitbit si Orsua na fire extinguisher.
I think when you love nature, you have to be a good example. You have to advocate for safety and look after itong mga magagandang lugar na we are privileged to go. Sabi nga nila, leave nothing but your memories, right?
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.